The year was 1999 and dancehall artist Mr. Lex scored a big hit with Cook. Let's get the backstory behind that track in our Fiwi Culture segment.
Think you know you pay your pretty look, you want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause you and them no look, you better cook.
One of your biggest hits, Cook, that was on the Bitter Blood rhythm for Steely and Clevie. How did that song come about?
So I go back at the house now and she said, yo, she hungry. So I was like, I can stop up at the supermarket now. Because I can't cook, you know, I said I can chef up two little things. So I said, yo, I can stop up at the supermarket and pick up some food. I would just cook it up at the house. Apparently she thought that I was telling her we could buy the food and make she go cook. So she was like, nah, can't do that. I not do it cook something. I could stop at Burger King. And I write this out, you know, ding, 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 ding. I start sing in my mind. And I smile. So I said, what you smile about? I said, nothing. I'm just driving and sing, oh man, I better I can't cook. You pretty. Because she was beautiful. So the next day, I go down to Steely and Clevie and they have a rhythm named Bitter Blood. It does fit the rhythm perfect. Oh man, you better can't cook. Think you pretty, look here, one. Leave a restaurant and come down, me bank book. A couple of months after, I tell her, I said, yo, are you really sing the song about now? She was mad, yo, she was mad. And then after a while, she just free up. I was like, yo, Shadow. It surprised me though, it really surprised me though, for real.
What was it about Cook that connected with people?
You see the thing, Kevin, like with me, I don't make song for Wagwan. Because when Wagwan gone, song gone with Wagwan. I make song that not everybody gonna relate to, but most people gonna relate to. And when you make a song where most people can relate to, then it gonna stay around for a while.
Have some girl with way past them teen. Big potato but lip and sardine. Can't even cook some comfort and bean, but them.
It was one of the songs that make me go tour all the time because, like I said, it busting up all of the different diaspora them. So it's one of the songs that there's nowhere where we can go on stage and perform and not sing that song. You see me? I said so. It opens a lot of doors. One of my favorite tunes too. It opens a lot of doors.
Does your attire during worship affect your relationship with God? Well, members of the public gave us their thoughts in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
No. God say come as you are, you understand? And you know say you don't have to worship in a church. So anyway there, you can bust a prayer, you understand? God don't really watch your clothes. So, yeah man.
No, actually no. You know, they say come as you are, right? And me, being a person that goes to church, I just always thought away to go to church. Now, there's doctrines to follow, you know, and there are rules, of course, but you can't go too extravagant, but at the same time, you can't really want, man. Yeah.
It's kind of iffy. God says come as you are, of course, but I think there's a level of respect that you have to bring to the church when you're going to worship Him. So you have to go there, not like you're going to any party or casually, but you have to go with reverence. So I believe that to some extent, your attire affects the worship.
No, not really. You understand? Because remember, God is the only person that can really judge us, and He's not going to judge us because He loves us. But personally, I try to stay away from that topic because, you know, people get too emotional and too sensitive about it. But personally, I don't think your attire affects the way your relationship with Him. You understand? Yeah. If you're going to pray, you pray. If you're going to worship, you worship. You know? Yeah.
Not necessarily. I don't think so, because I don't think it's your dress and physical appearance. I don't think it's the flesh that defines you as a Christian. You know what I mean? It's more your spirituality.
What's inside?
What's inside, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think that matter at all, you know?
Well, I'm going to reserve my comments on that one, you know, but when I hear what the people have to say. Let us know what you think, however, on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show, on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, the comments section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
Until next time, you don't know I'm your boy Naldo Addis, signing out for this week's episode of Pree the Show.